How to clear virus from your computer the easiest and faster way. So first of all, what you do is to press your Windows key R, type MRT, click on OK, and wait for it to load. What it's going to do is that it will load a Windows malicious removal tool. Every Windows comes with its own antivirus, that's Windows Defender. And when you run Windows updates, it downloads the virus definitions for the software. So this is baked in all Windows laptops. You have this tool when you run this command. So it's the easiest way of removing virus. So you click next. We have quick scan, full scan, and customized scan. So if you have a suspicion that there's virus infected, you can decide to start with a quick scan. You click next, it will scan whatever virus it finds, it will delete them. If you are not satisfied with that, you can go for the full scan, and the full scan will take a long time to finish, but when it finds a virus, it will clear it. That's one way of fighting viruses on your computer when you suspect that it is infected. Now, the next step is a third-party app. It's called Sophos Virus Removal Tool. So let's open our browser. We type Fools Hub, click on the first link to go to the website. When it comes, we click on the search bar here, then we type SOFHOS. We find the virus removal tool here. We click on it. After that, we come here, we click here to download the software. I have already downloaded it, but if you don't have this downloader, when you download, it will go to your downloads folder. So when it is done, quickly go to your downloads folder and click on it to install. When you click on it on the first time to install, it will download the virus definitions or virus updates, which is known kind of like antibodies, so that it can fight the viruses in your computer. When it is downloaded, after it's done and you open it, it will come this way. So what you have to do is to click on start scanning. Whatever virus that is in your computer, I trust you, this Sophos virus removal tool will clear all malware and viruses on your computer. Now, for some reason, if you download this software and it's not working, Sophos has two. Mostly it has a compatibility issue. Mostly it can work on Windows 10, Windows 11. You can decide to come to your browser, come here, type Sophos scan and clean, select the second link. When it opens, type your first name, last name, and your email. When you submit, it will bring you to a page here where it will ask you to download 64 or 32 bits. So when you download, it will go to your downloads folder. So if I go to my downloads, I have downloaded it already. When I double click on it, I select yes, it opens this way. So here I can click the drop down menu to select default scanning or quick scanning. So when I click next, it will start scanning. It is the same virus removal tool, just that sometimes one can decide not to work and the other can decide to work. So it depends on your preference. You can decide to use the one you want. And the first one was updated, I think 2021, but the virus definition still works. But this one is 2022. So anytime you download it, it downloads the virus definitions automatically. So that is how you can get rid of viruses on your computer.